Hello, Joe here from INFINITI of Tacoma. Today I'm going to tell you about this gorgeous 2018 INFINITI Q60 all-wheel drive coupe. This one is nicely equipped with the sport package, sensory package. This was just retired from our service loaner fleet. The way that works is when we have a service loaner vehicle, we'll pluck a brand new INFINITI out of our line. We'll put it in loaner car service, so basically for a year. We'll loan it out to our INFINITI customers. One of the benefits of owning a new INFINITI or leasing a new INFINITI or a certified pre-owned one is you get complimentary INFINITI service loaner vehicles. So that's what it spent the past year doing. Now we've retired it with only 12,376 miles, and it is now for sale as a certified pre-owned INFINITI. So you get all the benefits you normally get with a brand new INFINITI. On top of that, you get a 6-year, 75,000 mile certified warranty. So you have lots of coverage. This one's a beautiful color combination in black on black. Nice leather interior. The sport package gives you extra bolstering in the seats to hold you in place during performance driving. You have this really nice carbon trim. We have a drive mode selector that makes changes to transmission shift points, throttle sensitivity, traction, stability control settings for different driving situations. I like sport mode myself, or actually sport plus. 7-speed automatic transmission to maximize performance and efficiency. It features adaptive shift control. Excuse me. The way that works is adaptive shift control momentarily holds the current gear for better acceleration out of a turn or corner or when accelerating up a hill. But this one actually does one better. It has Navi synchronized adaptive shift control, so it actually can see a corner coming, so the transmission can get ready for that gear that it needs to be in for that corner that's coming up that it sees in the navigation system. Pretty cool stuff. Steering wheel paddle shifter, so you can take control of those 7 forward gears. You can also shift this way too, but why use this if you have the steering wheel paddle shifters, which you get with a sport package? That's another benefit of the sport package. Rev match downshifts for a sportier sound and feel, and it's like a true manual transmission. A lot of cars that have manual shift modes, the car will override you if it decides it needs to change gears. The INFINITI won't do that. You can bounce it off the rev limiter if you want, but it will not change gears on you unless you tell it to when it's in manual shift mode. All-season floor mats, alloy pedals, that's another feature that comes with the sport package. Bose Performance Series sound system. The Q60 is a sport car and a luxury car. You could also call it a grand touring automobile. A grand touring automobile is generally a coupe that combines elements of sport and luxury, and the Q60 definitely delivers. Look at the beautiful lines. Looks unlike any other car on the road. Also with the sport package, you get these unique sport wheels, you get bigger sport brakes, and you get a sport tuned suspension. Carbon fiber deck lid spoiler. Cargo area protector, which is this plastic or rubber. Keeps the carpeted part dry and clean. This one features intelligent all-wheel drive, great for the wet, slippery weather we have in the Pacific Northwest. And definitely it's going to do a lot better in the snow versus rear-wheel drive, which this comes standard with. The reason why it's intelligent is because when all-wheel drive is not needed, it will send 100% of the power to the rear wheels. The reason why they do that, if the all-wheel drive system's constantly working, it's going to reduce your gas mileage, it's going to chew through your tires faster, and this is a performance vehicle, so having a rear-wheel drive bias, it's going to feel like a rear-wheel drive sports car. But this Q60 has a brain that's always monitoring driving conditions, so as soon as those rear wheels start to slip, in a matter of milliseconds, almost instantly, it can send up to 50% of the vehicle's power to the front wheels. HID lights provide outstanding nighttime visibility, and you have this really nice, cool lighted strip around the headlights. Look at that front end, gorgeous styling. I love the look of the Q60. I think you'll get lots of compliments if you happen to own this gorgeous example. The heart of the Q60 is a VR30 twin turbo engine. Makes 300 horsepower for excellent performance. It also features direct injection, which sends highly pressurized gas directly into the combustion chamber. Generally that lowers emissions, improves fuel economy, and also improves horsepower. This certified pre-owned Q60 is also backed by a 5-day, 100% money-back guarantee. We want to make sure that you're happy with the vehicle you purchased from us, be it new or pre-owned. That's why we have that 5-day money-back guarantee. No restocking fees, no gimmicks, no exchanging it for another vehicle. It is really, truly 100% money back. Thanks for watching this video, and we hope to see you in our store very soon, and have a wonderful day.